Hey guys, are you ready to revolutionize your kitchen? Say goodbye to overspending on meals without sacrificing flavor or nutrition. In today's episode, we got budget-friendly recipes that burst with taste and won't break the bank. From satisfying one-pot chicken and rice to hearty lentil soup, we got you covered. These easy, delicious meals save you time in the kitchen. Get ready your pan and let's start cooking. First on our list is the recipe of one-pot chicken and rice. This one-pot chicken and rice recipe is a budget-friendly meal that is both easy to make and delicious. For this recipe, you will need 2 boneless chicken breasts halved, 180 grams of white rice, 1 liter of chicken broth, 1 carrot cut into rings, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley, salt and pepper to taste. Prepare the marinade for the chicken. Put the chicken in a bowl, add salt, add a teaspoon of curry, a teaspoon of turmeric, and cover with a 3 deciliter of milk. Marinate the chicken for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight in the refrigerator. Next, preheat the oven to 119 degrees Celsius. In meantime, in large oven-safe pot, add chicken, olive oil, rice, chicken broth, diced tomatoes, carrots, onion, garlic powder, salt and pepper. Stir everything together. Cover the pot with a lid and place it in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked and the rice is tender. Then, remove the pot from the oven, sprinkle it with parsley and let it sit for 5 minutes before serving. Next on our list is baked sweet potato with chili. It's packed with protein and fiber, and the sweet potato adds a touch of sweetness that complements the spicy chili. So for this recipe, you will need 2 pieces of medium-sized sweet potatoes, 1 can of black or red beans, drained and rinsed, 1 can of sliced tomatoes, 1 piece of onion finely chopped, 1 red or yellow bell pepper roughly chopped, 2 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, salt and pepper to taste, 100 grams of grated cheese for sprinkling, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. First, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius if you are going to bake the potatoes in the oven. Wash the sweet potato, dry it, or wipe with a paper, and pierce it with a fork. It's important to process the potatoes so that they become soft. If you put the baking dish in the oven, it will take around 45 to 50 minutes for it to become soft, while in the microwave, this process takes about 5 minutes. Wrap it in wet and crumbled parchment paper before putting it into microwave. In a large pan to which you added olive oil, fry the onion on a medium temperature for approximately 2 minutes until it becomes translucent. Then add chopped garlic, bell pepper, and fry for another 4 minutes. Next, add beans, tomatoes, chili powder, salt and pepper to the pan and mix everything together and cook for a few more minutes so that the ingredients are well soaked. Now add the sweet potato, which is cut into rings, to the pan and sprinkle grated cheese on it, and if you want, chopped chili or chopped parsley. Lastly, the third recipe that we have for you is lentil soup. The ingredients that you will need are as follows: 250 grams of dry green lentils, 1.2 liter of vegetable broth, 1 onion, 2 carrots, 2 stalks of celery, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground red pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme or 2 sprigs fresh, 2 bay leaves, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. First, rinse the lentils with cold water and let them drain. Next, chop the onion, carrots, celery, and garlic into small pieces. Then, heat the olive oil in a large pot, add the onion, garlic, and fry for 1 minute at a medium temperature. Then add the carrots and celery and fry for another 1 minute. Once the soup is cooked, divide it into meal prep containers and store them in the fridge for up to 4 days. And that's it! Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure. If you found this recipe helpful and inspiring, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. We would love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below with your favorite recipe or any suggestions you have. Stay tuned for more delightful recipes and informative tips. Until next time, happy cooking and goodbye.